So a common misconception is that implants have some sort of expiration date. I think a lot of people pick this up on the internet, and that's just not true. My philosophy when a patient comes in and has had an implant for X number of years, say over 10 years, is that I don't recommend removal unless they're having some sort of replacement or they need some of the procedure and they want to replace their implants at that time. But generally speaking, implants can last much longer than 10 years, like most people suggest. And the rupture rate is actually in the neighborhood of 4 to 5% at 10 years, and perhaps a little bit higher as time goes on. So my position is that there's no need to change your implants unless you're having a problem. And if you are experiencing some sort of difficulty, come in and we can talk about it and I can examine you and we'll go from there.